Hi there and welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. So sometimes you can run into an unsaid objection. Well, what is that? Well, let's say the prospect, they know from seeing everything that you have to give them and talked about that you're a really great cleaning company and maybe they'd like to go with you. But sometimes you may pick up that they're hesitant or they're dragging their heels. Sometimes it might be they're worried about making the transition to a new cleaning company. Well, maybe they've been burned in the past when they switched and the current cleaning company either gave short notice or no notice. It could have created some real trouble. So, you may want to mention something that reflects your company that talks about, I want to just mention something, say, Steve, as far as how we handle the transition. Under normal circumstances, we have a very nice process to make sure it goes smoothly. Everything from the supplies, making sure the equipment is here. We'll show you what we're going to use. We want to review the security procedures with you to make sure that that works well. Also the lights, how we're going to handle which lights get turned off and so on. I want you to get a chance to meet also the staff. We're going to have 2 part-time cleaners, and I'd like to bring them out to personally meet you too. So we have a whole plus on the first night and first week or 2 that we start. We're actually going to have supervisors here to help get directed in the right way and to do extra detailed cleaning. That's a normal transition. It goes great. But I also want you to know, if in fact it only happens once in a while, let's say your current cleaning service might give you short notice or no notice, I want you to know that that's okay. We'll be able to take care of you in that situation as well. We have enough supervisors and floor crew. We have enough staff every night that even if you get caught short, we'll be right there the very first evening to take care of you. It's okay. That kind of reassurance can help to address maybe what's an unsaid objection. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.